Want to check your connected Wi-Fi speed using command prompt? In this video, I'll show you a simple one-line CMD command that displays your Wi-Fi receive and transmit speed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open command prompt on your Windows PC. Type this one command and press enter. The receive rate shows your download speed, while the transmit rate shows your upload speed. Simple, fast, and no software required.